Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for another Big Factory Records experience? We about to get down. I said, we about to get down. Now show me some love and shake that booty, groovy, booty booch. Hey, and recognize.
1, 2, 3, oh!
Everybody,